Hi there. In this video, we are going to talk about the free fall motion. So let's begin. Free fall motion. The motion of a body under the influence of gravity is known as free fall. The gravity always acts towards to the center of the earth and its value is g is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. In order to explain the free fall motion, what I'm going to do, I'm going to consider the equation of motion in its vertical form, which is Vy is equal to uy plus ay t, sy is equal to uy t plus half ay t square, and vy square is equal to uy square plus 2ays. So basically what we are doing, we are considering the vertical motion because free fall is a vertical motion, and that's why we are considering the vertical component of the equation of motion. Now, in order to explain the free fall, what I'm going to do, I'm going to consider the x-axis. So this is my x-axis and this is my positive y-axis and this is my negative y-axis. Now we are taking the coordinate axis close to the earth's surface. So this is basically my earth's surface. So when we are doing a vertical motion, either the body can go up because this is basically the positive component of the y-axis. But if a body is going downward, which is basically a negative y-axis, and the component will be negative. So it simply means that if a body is going away from the earth's surface, we will take the positive component. It simply means that if the body is going away from the earth's surface, the gravity acts like a positive, but if the body is going towards the earth's surface, the gravity will act as a negative. In reality, gravity is not positive or negative. It's just a simple value, which is g is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. But since we are taking the vertical component, that's why we are taking positive and negative. So let's consider the equation of motion when the body is moving towards the earth, and if we do that, we will write v is equal to u minus gt, s is equal to ut minus half gt square, and v square is equal to u square minus 2gs. And always remember that for the simplicity of the calculation, we are taking the value of g is equal to negative 9.8 meter per second square. Now let's consider the equation of motion when the body is moving away from the earth, and then we have v is equal to u plus gt, s equals to ut plus half gt square, and v square is equal to u square plus 2gs. And again, for the simplicity of calculation, we are taking the value of g is equal to negative 9.8 meter per second square. And this is all about free fall motion.